Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today we're going to do another unboxing, and again, the unboxings on this channel are just to give you an idea of what's coming up in the future. So here's the box. It is from Monoprice. Monoprice is a company that started making really affordable electronic accessories, starting with cables and some other things a few years ago, and they do offer musical instruments including guitars and ukuleles. So let's open up this box and see what's in here. All right, here we go. So the brand is Idyllwild, as you can see there. This is considered an open box return, thus the orange label right there that we will cut. And inside is also one of those little packets of silica gel. But here's the case that comes with it. And we'll open up and take a look and see what it's all about. Okay, upon opening, got a Velcro strap holding it in there. Nice little extra piece of material protecting the headstock or against the headstock. And that's the little case. Also, a couple more packets of silica gel on the bottom. So that's the pack that comes with it, or the case that comes with it. And let's take a look at the instrument. So, very traditional crown headstock, Martin-like. A little notification that you have Idyllwild Soprano gut strings. Coming down, you have fret markers at 5, 7, 10, 12, and 15, so there's 15 frets. You have a laminate mahogany body. You have a slotted bridge right there. And taking a look at it in the light, a light rosette around it. A little bit of an arch on the back. A little bit rougher finish at some points. Some sharper fret ends that will need to be dealt with. But let's take a look. It's actually almost in tune because, again, it was an open box. Alright, so there you have it, the Idyllwild Soprano. Now, I can't remember right off the top of my head what these normally sell for. They're not very expensive, they're under $30, and then of course there's a slight shipping charge. But they do occasionally carry open box models like this one, and they sell them for $19.99. So for some people it might be an affordable way to get into an instrument. So watch for the full review of this Idyllwild. There's a label there again. In the weeks to follow, and I'll let you know what I think about it. We'll take a look on the inside and see, of course, how it settles after a couple weeks of playing or so forth. So thanks for watching the channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.